Hello, my name is Dr. Milissa Bradley from Kinesiology. If I ask you to take one slow breath right now, just one, what would change? Let's try. Well, in higher education, we spend enormous energy focusing on what we teach: curriculum, rigor, assessment, disciplinary expertise. But beneath all of that is something more fundamental: attention. And attention is regulated through the body. My proposed lecture, The Pedagogy of Breath, What Yoga Teaches Us About Attention, Regulation, and Being Human, explores how yoga, not as exercise, but as a practice of awareness, offers practical tools for teaching and learning in today's climate. We are teaching in a time of nervous system overload. Our students arrive anxious, they're distracted, and often dysregulated. Many of us, too. Neuroscience tells us that slow, conscious breathing directly influences vagal tone, stress response, and executive functioning. When we regulate the breath, we regulate cognition. When we regulate cognition, we improve clarity, empathy, and decision-making. Yoga philosophy has long held this understanding. The breath is not separate from the mind. It is the bridge between physiology and perception. And in this lecture, I explore three themes. First, breath as attention. In a culture of distraction, the simple act of returning to breath builds cognitive endurance as well as presence. Second, regulation as pedagogy. A regulated teacher creates a regulated classroom. Tone, pacing, posture, and breath pattern communicate safety to our students. Our nervous systems are in conversation long before the content is processed. And third, embodiment as an ethical practice. Yoga teaches the balance of steadiness and ease, what classical texts describe as sira and sukha. In teaching, this means holding rigor without rigidity or compassion without collapse. It essentially means falling somewhere between the rock and the feather. Breath is universal. It requires no equipment, no ideology, and no special ability. And this lecture is going to blend research, lived classroom experience, and small experiential moments, not to turn faculty into yoga teachers, but to offer accessible, practical tools for resilience and presence. Breath may be one of the most underutilized pedagogical resources that we have. So if we can help our students pause before reacting, or breathe before speaking, and notice before judging, we are not only educating them academically, we are shaping how they move through the world. I look forward to sharing this conversation with our DVC community. Thank you.